सूडो फेमिनिज्म, ये एक ऐसा टॉपिक है, इट्स वेरी क्लोज टू माय हार्ट बिकॉज आई लव मॉकिंग दी सूडो फेमिनिस्ट. Feminism stops being a movement the moment it becomes a weapon. क्या होता है, these women they use feminism for their personal gains, personal advantages, और they for men bashing और इक्वालिटी का ढंडोरा पीटती हैं. पर मेन इक्वालिटी चाहिए, पर मेन के इक्वल राइट्स ना हो, इसके बारे में बात करते हैं. मास्क उतारो जी में आप सबका स्वागत है. नमस्कार, मैं पायल भयाना आज बातचीत कर रही हूँ दो फेमिनिस्ट से. हाँ, नॉट सूडो फेमिनिस्ट से, फेमिनिस्ट से बात कर रही हूँ. स्मिता देशमुख एंड निर्वा मेहता. हाय गर्ल्स.
हाय.
हेलो.
गुड इवनिंग.
कैसे हो?
बस ठीक, आप बोलो.
बढ़िया. अच्छा, ये आप मुझे बताओ, women they these pseudo feminists they need men only जब एसी चल नहीं रहा, कंप्यूटर चल नहीं रहा, गाड़ी का टायर चेंज करवाना है, अदरवाइज they'll keep on doing men bashing. What are your views on it, निर्वा? निर्वा, पॉज हो गए हो. निर्वा, अनम्यूट करो अपने. हाँ.
हाँ जी. सॉरी, थोड़ा इंटरनेट कनेक्शन का प्रॉब्लम है, बट आई डिडंट हियर योर क्वेश्चन. कुड यू प्लीज रिपीट?
I said, what do you think about these feminists जो बोलती हैं कि men are okay अगर एसी खराब है घर में, कंप्यूटर खराब है, गाड़ी का टायर पंचर हो गया तो वो चेंज करना है, या मीनियल जॉब्स है कोई उसके लिए, पर वैसे वो मेन की बैशिंग करती रहती
सी, इसमें थोड़ा मेरा डिवाइडेड ओपिनियन रहता है कई बार कई चीजों
है.
को
तुम्हारा
लेके.
हर बार ही डिवाइडेड ही रहता है मेरा.
आई थिंक फेमिनिज्म इज इम्पोर्टेंट, पर ये जो इंटरनेट पर सोशल मीडिया पर जो मेन हेटर्स जो होती हैं, तो that kind of harms the very cause they are fighting for.
Yeah.
It's ऐसा नहीं है कि just because you are a feminist you have to hate men. There is a place in society for both of them. And it's also ऐसा भी नहीं है कि दोनों की अपनी अपनी जगह है कि they should not cross the boundaries. It's not set in compartment. तो we all have to live together in a society. तो ये जो हेट जब आने लगता है तो दैट्स वेयर आई थिंक प्रॉब्लमेटिक हो जाता है. बट अदरवाइज आई थिंक फेमिनिज्म एज अ मूवमेंट, एज इक्वालिटी, एज women's राइट शुड बी देयर डिस्पाइट ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स दैट कम्स विथ इट, बिकॉज जो बेनिफिट्स हैं वो दे फार आउटवे द कॉन्स, आई फील, especially for women, because suppression होता, उनका ऑपरेशन होता है. They are oppressed, they are suppressed, and they need to be talked about.
ओके. स्मिता, ये एक मूवमेंट रहता है जब तक फेमिनिज्म एक लेवल पर रहता है, दे डोंट क्रॉस देयर लिमिट्स, उसके बाद तो ये एक वेपन की तरह यूज हो जाता है. आपके क्या व्यूज हैं इसके बारे
मैं तो अपने आप को भी फेमिनिस्ट नहीं बोला, और बहुत फेमिनिस्ट मुझ पे गुस्सा होता है. आई एम नॉट अ फेमिनिस्ट एंड आल्सो आई एम नॉट अ लिबरल, बिकॉज इन दोनों की व्याख्या इतनी बदल गई है पिछले, आई वुड से 15-20 सालों में. तो पूरी व्याख्या बदल गई. मैं फेमिनिज्म के बारे में यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि not only the definition but the interpretation of feminism has totally changed now, because I think the fundamental change मैं जो देखती हूँ कि you have to, the most fundamental change is that women are superior than men, और women don't need men. हमें पुरुषों की जरूरत नहीं है. और सबसे बड़ी चीज जो मैं देखती हूँ लिबरल सर्कल्स में कि you really have to hate men. I mean, the hatred for men, I really admire and appreciate some of the men, the hatred they go through. और ये पूरा एक सिस्टम बन गया है to constantly tell women the comparisons, and I just believe कि मुझे लगता है कि दोनों genders का gender equality should be the first aspect of feminism. हम भूल गए इसके लिए. और सबसे बड़ी बात जो मुझे लगता है, it has become a war of the genders. Today's feminism, rather pseudo-feminism. It is an absolute war of gender. और सबसे important चीज जो मैं देखती हूँ कि feminism should be celebrated is the equality of both the genders. और ये equality का जो तराजू है ना वो हमेशा ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है. Because ये equality first मुझे लगता है it started with equal pay for both the genders. तो
Justified.
मैं हमेशा सोचती हूँ कि equal pay also should depend on the nature of the job. मैं देखती हूँ मैं खुद के ही हिसाब से कह चुकी हूँ. मैं आई हैव बीन द एडिटर ऑफ पेपर्स एंड एट सम पॉइंट आई रियलाइज कि माय हेल्थ वाज रियली गेटिंग अफेक्टेड. मैं सुबह सुबह 9:30-10 बजे जाती थी काम पे और मैं रात को 12-1 बजे आती थी. एंड विद एज आई रियलाइज कि बॉस दिस इज नॉट व्हाट आई रियली वांट टू डू. आई कांट डील विद दिस एनीमोर. तो देयर आर पीपल और देयर आर विमेन एंड मेन ऑन बोथ साइड्स हु टेक अ बैक सीट. मैंने एक डेस्क का जॉब लिया. मैंने थोड़ा आई टुक अ बैक सीट छोटा सा. बट दैट डजंट मीन दैट आई कीप ऑन फाइटिंग कि मुझे 2 महीने आई टेकन अ बैक सीट. आई शुड बी पेड इक्वली एज द नेक्स्ट पर्सन हु इज you know at my job. But at all levels the distinguishing factor मुझे लगता है दोनों genders में होना चाहिए is the nature of the job. और वो whether a man or a woman, स्त्री या पुरुष, क्या वो जॉब के लिए लेके आ रहे हैं. जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर अ वुमन आपको कंसेशन नहीं दिया जाएगा. बिकॉज वहीं बैठ के हम लोग इक्वालिटी की बात करते हैं, हम लोग इक्वल पे की बात करते हैं, फिर वी टॉक अबाउट इमोशनल सपोर्ट, देन वी टॉक अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ, और फिर उसी जक्सटपोज भी से हमें मेनिस्ट्रुअल हॉलीडेज चाहिए. अभी ये सब कैसे होगा ना. आई मीन द मेन आर सेइंग नाउ यू आर इक्वल, नाउ यू कैन नॉट आस्क फॉर एवरीथिंग. तो
Yeah.
बहुत बहुत मुझे ऐसे मुशक्कत हो रही है. एट एवरीवेयर the definitions are changing and the definitions are defined by, according to me, the worst pseudo liberal examples, the worst.
Yeah, because I've
बहुत
noticed that
confusion है in the younger generation about feminism.
especially equality for them means that I should have freedom to do everything as long as the manual labor ना हो, tiring ना हो, ये ना हो, पर मेरे को सारी इक्वालिटी मिले.
वो
अच्छा,
एक
एक
वीडियो
और
आती है ना पायल, आप पता नहीं आप दोनों ने देखी है कि नहीं. इंस्टाग्राम पे एक वीडियो आती है कि एक लड़का है जो लड़कियों को जेंजी टाइप लड़कियां हैं एकदम पार्टी गोइंग. उसको आपके होने वाले पति की इनकम कितनी होनी चाहिए, एंड डू यू नो व्हाट दे आर टॉकिंग? 10 लाख. 10 लाख पर मंथ. तो फिर वो लड़का बोलती है जन्म भर तो पूरी जन्म तो कुंवारी रह जा बहन. कहाँ से ये पकड़ के लाते हैं. और इतना वायरल हुआ है वो वीडियो. पूरी मेरे फैमिली के तो जितने भी बच्चे हैं उन्होंने सबने मुझे भेजी. मैं आंटी देखो आपकी सूडो फेमिनिज्म. नॉट दे आर यंग वुमेन, दे डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, बट यस दे आर ऑल लुकिंग फॉर, while the men are looking for younger and younger women, the girls nowadays are looking for men
rich.
the rich men are having a ball.
Yeah. अच्छा, एक और पेट्रियार्की होती है. जैसे पेट्रियार्की के लिए ये लोग they are fine with the groom's side of the family is paying for the wedding, giving them everything, their father doing the wedding for them. तब इनको पेट्रियार्की याद नहीं आती है. तब ये लोग क्यों नहीं बोलते कि हम खुद कमाएंगे, खुद अपनी शादी करेंगे. पापा की परी होती है वैसे, पर बाहर आके इनको हर चीज में इक्वालिटी चाहिए. निर्भा, आपका क्या कहना है इसके बारे
आई थिंक ये फेमिनिस्ट नहीं, ये तो ये जनरेशन का प्रॉब्लम है. ये एंटाइटल जनरेशन का प्रॉब्लम ज्यादा है देन फेमिनिज्म का प्रॉब्लम, आई फील. क्योंकि फेमिनिस्ट द सो कॉल्ड एक्टिविस्ट जो है उनको तो शादी नहीं करनी है, तो वो तो अलग ही उनका ड्राइव रहता है. But I think, yeah, I think you should also be contributing. I think one thing I can talk about is जैसे कि सोशल मीडिया पे कन्वर्सेशन चलता है कि डेट पे जा रहे हो तो who should pay for it, right?
में?
As an example, extension of what you asked. Uh, I think I as I identify myself as a feminist. Okay, so I would want to not that I would want to believe that. So whenever I go out with friends, with anyone that I've been to, I have always split the bill. Okay, or if not, then I've picked the tab. I, for the sake of God, would not like it anyone else paying for my food, because at some point deep down I feel कि just because that person has paid for my food or coffee or whatever, then I owe him something. यू नो, तो मुझे वो नहीं चाहिए। आई डोंट वांट दैट काइंड ऑफ ऑब्लिगेशन। तो अब उसको फेमिनिज्म कहोगे या मेरी अकड़ कहो या मेरा वो
No,
कहो,
that's
आई
being
डोंट नो, ईगो
sensible.
कहो।
That's being sensible.
Yeah, so this is the aspect that actually should be there, ki, because that's how the world works. I think men also do feel at some level entitled to, if they're taking you out for a date or taking you out for coffee or drinks or food. तो वहां पे वो थोड़ा सा वो रहता है। तो मेरे हिसाब से women should be financially independent irrespective whether they're feminist or not, एंड अपने पैसों का वो रखो, बी गेट दैट फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस, दैट्स इट।
Okay. स्मिता, ये आजकल चला है ना, माँ बॉडी माँ रूल्स, I'll wear whatever I want to। मेरे मुताबिक मे बी आई बिलोंग टू दैट ओल्ड स्कूल ऑफ थॉट। मुझे लगता है हर चीज की का एक जगह होती है, समय होता है। लाइक अगर आप कल आप चांदनी चौक जा रहे हो, यू वेयरिंग शॉर्ट्स स्पैगेटी टॉप्स एंड दैट्स नॉट अ प्लेस टू वेयर दिस काइंड ऑफ क्लोथ्स। वहां पे अभी इतना ज्यादा मेंटली लोग इतने ब्रॉड माइंडेड नहीं हुए हैं कि वो लोग इस चीज को अंडरस्टैंड कर सकें। उनका अभी इतना जो पूरा मेंटल लेवल है वो ऐसा है नहीं कि जैसे कोई लड़की ने थोड़े कम कपड़े पहने हैं तो उसको ना छेड़े। What are your views on it? Is it right, this ma body, ma rules? Ask
My
men not to look at me. Why are they staring?
Oh, my body, my choice actually. Because यहाँ तो सब अमेरिका में जो होता है, my body, my choice started with President Obama's first campaign. He
Yeah.
went nuts over my body, my choice because वहाँ तो abortion rights की एक बहुत बड़ा एक historical abortion rights campaign
जी।
हुआ। पर यहाँ पे मैं हमेशा देखती हूँ, I mean, I can only give example of my students, because मुझे लगता है कि बम्बई में कुछ साल पहले यहाँ का एक बहुत बड़ा कॉलेज है, सेंट जेवियर्स कॉलेज। उसके प्रिंसिपल ने ये फटी हुई जीन्स पे, ही सेड यू कांट वेयर फटी हुई जीन्स। उसके ऊपर तो इतना बड़ा, एज इफ इट्स ए बड़ी ब्रेकिंग स्टोरी हो गई थी यहाँ पे कि व्हाट इज दिस, बट टू मेक गर्ल्स वेयर। बिकॉज मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ ना, आप अपनी गाड़ी से आ रहे हो, अगर पापा पापा अपनी परी को गाड़ी में से छोड़ रहे कॉलेज तो मैं समझ सकती हूँ, लेकिन बम्बई जैसे शहर में तो सब लोग लोकल ट्रेन से ट्रैवल करते हैं, तो आप ऐसे कपड़े पहनोगे, दे आर गोइंग टू लुक एट यू, देन यू से यू कैन आल्सो नॉर्मलाइज इट ना कि बस ये मेरे साथ होने वाला है। बट माई बॉडी माई चॉइस एक्चुअली इज नॉट मेंट फॉर योर फिजिकल अपीयरेंस कि आप क्या डालोगे। माई बॉडी माई चॉइस स्लोगन स्टार्टेड कि this is my body and I will be responsible for everything that happens with my body. So if that is also your thought process, then protect your body, especially in public places. Then you don't say, "Arey, isne mujhe dekha." But and also my body, my choice also became that thing कि just because I'm wearing revealing clothes, okay, that does not mean कि मेरे ऊपर एक sexual assault का एक आपको बहाना मिल गया, this thing। तो my body my choice change हो रहा है as of now। मैं कह सकती हूँ because I deal with 22 year olds, मैं बता सकती हूँ that I think more and more girls today are wearing clothes of which the boys like, and more boys are becoming feminine। आई डोंट नो, एंड दे राइट, जो भी बायो में लिखता है ना मैं फेमिनिस्ट हूँ, मुझे तो बहुत डर लगता है ऐसे लोगों से, बिकॉज हिस्टोरिकली ऑल दिस मेन विथ फेमिनिस्ट थिंग्स आर द फर्स्ट। आई मीन आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट, देयर इज इनफ डेटा टू शो दैट द सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट्स जो भी होते हैं, ऑल दीज मेन अपने बायो वाले फेमिनिस्ट टाइप निकलते हैं इवेंचुअली। बट मैं तो कहती हूँ कि लड़कियों के कपड़े छोड़ो, आप लड़कों के कपड़े देखो। आई हैव नाउ सीन unisexual clothes, unisexual clothing line is coming, it's already come on some websites, but I recently saw one boy in my own class was wearing a denim jacket which had pink stripes on it, and then he had alternate nails पे nail paint था उसके, and I said what? He says no, my sister likes me doing all these things। Then I said, कुछ भी कर, but type कर, whatever I'm teaching, you have to take notes there, right? Maybe he should be taking notes when I'm teaching. So क्रॉस सेक्शनैलिटी इज इंटरसेक्शनैलिटी, जाने दो, क्रॉस सेक्शनैलिटी हो रही है। पीपल, यू शुड सी, आपको पता है सलोन सलों के इधर क्या हो रहा है इन द सलों, दिस थिंग, द सलों कल्चर, यू शुड सी द अमाउंट ऑफ मनी men are spending in big cities on salon, on massages, you know, and pedicure, manicure. It's like a इतना बड़ा बिजनेस है। और ये एप्स आ रहे हैं ना, अपने आप घर पे बुला सकते हो all this. So there is in the app there is a male section and a women section. दोनों apps जहां से मैं I do my work, the male section is very busy. आप हंस रहे हो पायल जी, दोनों आप लोग हंस रहे हो, मैं आपको एकदम शॉक किया आपको ये सब बताते हुए।
So, Smita, tell me, ये जो selective equality है, they want equal rights, but only when it's fun, glamorous, or benefits them. Otherwise, chivalry is not dead. It should not die. They want men to be chivalrous, but they want equality. क्या सोचते हैं आप इसके बारे
Equality, I'll tell you what is this equality nonsense. अगर मैं, I am a working woman, living in a big city. If I ask somebody out, of course I would love to pay. और इसीलिए मैं किसी को पहले मिल रही हूँ ना। आजकल के बच्चे बहुत स्मार्ट है। माई ओन नेव्यू सेड, सिर्फ कहाँ जा रहा है, मिला थ्रू सम ऐप, इसे हाँ हाँ बरिस्ता वरिस्ता में ही लेके जाऊंगा। पता नहीं यार, वाई टू स्पेंड सो मच मनी इफ यू डोंट गेट एन, इमेजिन they think like this. Like a barista. I mean, I said we are chatting, we are knowing each other. कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Barista in one of those coffee shops. I said क्यों? He said no, मुझे क्यों पैसे में खर्च करूँ इतने? If I don't like her, maybe if I like her, I may consider going to another restaurant or something like that. I think it's a very fair thing, no? सब लोग बहुत पैसे के बारे में सोचते हैं, और अगर लड़के पैसों के बारे में सोचते हैं तो I'm fine with it. But
They're
my
trash.
my
Yes.
no my issue in all this, this patriarchy and all, मुझे लगता है तो बिकॉज इतना सोशल मीडिया का पीयर प्रेशर है। ओ माय दिस पार्टनर्स टू बी माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड, माय सोलमेट, फिर बाद में मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड, फिर फियांसे, हस्बैंड। अभी 7-8 लोगों को एक साथ एक ही लड़के में आप कैसे आपको मिलेगा? I mean, it's not possible. I'll be totally sexually attracted. Then he should also be like a father figure. वो जॉर्ज माइकल का गाना मेरे भूल में, आई विल बी योर फादर फिगर ऑल्सो, आई बी ब्रदरली विथ यू, आई बी योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड, आई विल बी योर पार्टनर, आई बी द फादर ऑफ योर चिल्ड्रन। अरे 7-8 लोगों को एक लड़के में नहीं मिलेगा आपको। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कम डाउन फ्रॉम दिस, दैट if you can be if you can maintain a percentage of friendship in your relationship, even after that you are in a relationship, I think you've achieved लॉट। बट सब मत ढूंढना, बिकॉज वो सिर्फ इंस्टाग्राम के रील में मिलेगा, इधर नहीं मिलेगा। एंड देन यू the most what I feel like laughing but to tell you, because आजकल इतना सुनती हूँ ना, मैंने बोला ये is this for real कि अरे उस he took me out but he did not open the door, the गाड़ी का डोर, I said तू क्यों, you need somebody, one more person to open. he said नहीं we went to a restaurant, उसके वो वैले ने खोला। तो I said it's a date, no? You're not getting married to this guy. तुम्हारे डेट पे भी तुमको all this old school 60s का 70s वाला patriarchy. And then if he opens the door, he said, why you open the door? I need to be on my own. तो ये ना, it's like वो कहते हैं ना, men are from Mars and women are from Venus. And what women really want, nobody knows what women want. तो वैसे हो गया है, total confusion है। And I'm telling you, completely fueled by digital media. Completely fueled by digital media.
Nirma, what do you think about that? Chivalry should not die. Chivalry is not dead, but they want equality, but they want this also meant to be chivalrous. Can you hear me, Nirva?
I just can't now because I had a little unstable internet connection. Could you please
Okay.
repeat your question?
I said, what do you think about that? Chivalry is dying. Chivalry should not die. It's not dead. But we want equality, but we want men to be chivalrous also. What do you think about it?
See, I think that it's not one or the other. I think you can expect, you can ask for equality while also expecting a little bit of chivalry. Just because you ask for chivalry doesn't mean that you are any less of a woman, I feel. It always feels nice that way. But again, I think it depends on how things are perceived. I can't be hating on men and expecting chivalry also. I can also be respecting them. I think I love the men in my life. My father has been a very strong figure in my life, very influencing. He's been a great influencer of my life. So, and I love him to bits. Okay, and he is the one who has taught me not to be silent. The courage I drive as a woman, as a as a woman in an otherwise male centric, male dominated industry. It is because of my father telling me कि तू जा मैं हूँ ठीक है so I am a feminist but I also love the men in my life uh, so dono both can exist and my dad is very chivalrous he will always make sure that I'm when we're walking on the road he'll make sure he's on the traffic side. It's the little things that count. He will make sure even at this age he will make sure that he's the one protecting me. uh, So chivalry and calling for equality can coexist. It depends on how you respect the other person, not just as a relation, but also as a person, as a woman, as a man. I think we can all do with a little bit of respect in our lives.
You can't do men bashing simultaneously
Correct,
and then
correct.
expect.
Unless you really, some men really deserve it. Some men really do deserve to be bashed, but those are selective men and not, again, not all men. So let's not generalize men as a
No, no, we are
gender
not
and hate
generalizing.
on
They
them.
they generalize.
Correct, correct. No, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about
I
generally the
know.
pseudo
Yeah, yeah.
activists. Let's not generalize either of the genders, and this goes for men's right activists as well. I think women also need to be respected, and we not all women are terrible women. I think I'm amazing. so so I think ये थोड़ा बहुत होना चाहिए कि सब एक दूसरे को respect किए.
Okay. अच्छा स्मिता this my choice specialist जो होती है ना my choice my choice they want complete freedom to do anything they want to but they expect society to clean up the consequences then they expect you to handle it then पहले कुछ कुछ करेंगी and then they'll expect the society to either clean up their mess they've created or stand up for them even if the society doesn't agree, then they'll again start bashing the whole system, the society, and everything. What do you think about it?
I think there are a lot of pseudo feminists who, according to me, have done PhD in victimhood. I mean, it's a profession. Victimhood is now a profession. In everything, you will find that there is a victimhood, there is a victim card being played, there is a woman card being played. And to an extent, sometimes I feel at workplace, the men always mock us. Oh, now, you also have to work and get this project done and don't play the woman card. They'll mock you in advance because of all these women. And I'll tell you, I always give this example of my, one of these, my wonderful gay friend who was a doctor, gay friend of mine, and who lived pretty close to where I was born and brought up. And he always used to say, "What kind of friends you have?" Because majority of the women, I'm sorry to say, in the field of media, not only hard liberal, but like these die-hard feminists. So he said, "How can you tolerate this bunch?" I said, "Yeah, once in a while I meet." And so I said, "I'm going for this get together and all." And I said, "If I get bored now, I'll just message you, just call me, and then I'll pretend I'm very busy and I have to go somewhere." So I was messaging him, calling him, this bugger not picking up phone. Then I said, "Come to this gymkhana where I said, and just come down and I'll come." He walks in into this this club, and I'm telling you, all my six friends who were attacking all the men, all the six girls, their eyes popped out. They were so happy to have him. They all six of them were hitting on him. So the hypocrisy of to say you don't want the men and you still want to be with them was open. He says, "I wanted to show you what they." I said, "I know what they are." But the victimhood of constantly blaming the whole world for your problems, and there will be no buyers. Trust me. The other thing which I feel in this victimhood, where I feel the women completely, behaved in the most unfeminine way, was towards the entire beginning, and the way the hashtag Me Too movement started and the way it ended.
Yeah, I want to
Hashtag Me
talk. I
Too
want to
movement
speak on that
started.
also.
Yeah, no, hashtag Me Too movement started because of one particular allegation on a very reputed editor turned
Mm.
BJP, politician. And everybody wanted a victim. I think in India, in the liberal feminist circles, everybody wanted to see a victim, a case, a test case. And the case went on. I'm pretty aware of the nuances of that case. But as the story started breaking, and as the stories of men in the liberal circles, when allegations started coming on those men, in the which were like the liberal icons, they were the feminist liberal male icons. Then everybody pushed back and says, "Arey, you don't know." For in the first phase, Payal, you have to believe if the woman is complaining, and if the woman has claimed sexual assault, you have to believe the woman. You cannot question the woman. And then within couple of weeks, we came to say, no, 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 this woman has to be questioned. Just because she's a woman, she cannot make. Because then the accused were the very, very well-known liberal men.
Liberal. Mm.
The moment they came into the picture, the Me Too movement died in India. It is dead in India. And that shows the complete, the anti-feminist behavior of the feminist. If one has to categorize it, it is the way the entire liberal Me Too movement came and the way it died.
अच्छा, another thing is जैसे इसी Me Too के moment से ये maybe people are going to I'm going to get lot of flack for it and this thing. जैसे एक there was one girl, she accused somebody of touching her. अब आप किसी के घर जा रहे हो, 11:30-12 बजे हैं, यू सेइंग अपना घर दिखाओ, वो आपको रूम में दिखा रहा है, अपना बेडरूम भी दिखा रहा है, एंड ही लैंड्स अप just touching you or doing this कि चलो बाहर चलते हैं, and you say, oh, he took me to the room and it was 11:30 at night, he tried to act smart with me. तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको नहीं लगता these kind of women come under this category of pseudo feminist women? Because ये लोग like even वो जो एक एडिटर की वो जो मी टू का मोमेंट चला था, she was going out for dinners with him, she was dancing,
Oh,
there
yeah.
were a lot of people, witnesses who said कि the way she was dancing with him on the floor or the way she was pally with him, but
I
अपना
know the Me Too case
है
very
ना,
well.
हाँ, तो
The
करियर
famous
सेट
Me
करने
Too
के लिए,
case.
अपना करियर सेट करने के लिए
Yeah,
फेम,
yeah.
2 minute फेम के लिए they accusing men of it.
No, but
And
I'll tell you something. Nirva would agree that in the middle of the Me Too movement, there was the feminists were dying for one case, and they found a case of a very famous editor for his conservative
I know, huh?
right ideology, and they found him. It was his way of life. If you work in Mumbai and Delhi journalism circles, his way of life was very well known for years. It was not something that we all discovered. Arey Baba, it was never under the carpet. It was the most open secret in Delhi and Mumbai journalistic circles. Everybody took advantage of this. Everybody moved their careers. So first of all, it was not a shock to all of us who were in journalism. My issue is in the middle of it, when many names started coming, whether they were from the film industry or whether they were from the media or the society circles, then every incident first became a Me Too movement. I'm going out with somebody has touched me. First of all, touching women inappropriately should be questioned across the board. But then it reached a stage that should we believe every woman? Because I think the cases in America also, just because some woman is saying, we also started that whenever she's saying it, she should be believed. Whatever may be the time lapse or something. But I think the Harvey Weinstein case was
हाँ.
like a watershed case in this, where people said, no, now she has believed, but then there has to be a proper,
It's been politically
legal
motivated
process.
also.
Pardon?
These cases are politically motivated also.
No,
They're done with an agenda.
In the American politics, majority of these cases were motivated. This thing. There has been a case against former President Biden also. But what I'm trying to say, if you see in India, the movement totally died.
Die.
And I know exactly the cases of men when these students. In fact, I was speaking to a wife of a very well-known author and a journalist who was accused by somebody, and she used some of the choicest words, quote unquote, against the women who have been raising issues against her husband, and very staunch feminist. So as a feminist, don't you think she should believe every woman which says for the allegation? That's what I'm saying. So the movement died, and for me that was also the death of this liberal pseudo feminism.
निर्वा, आप क्या सोचते हो इसके बारे में?
See, I would just like to say that I would still go with trust women if she accuses anyone of assault or inappropriate touch. First instinct should be to believe her.
Of
At
course.
least investigate कीजिए, but mostly because most women have had such a bad experience. Again, consent. मैं रात को 11 बजे 2 बजे किसी के भी घर जाऊं, दिखाओ, तुम मुझे अपने बेडरूम में दिखाओ, but the moment I say no, the consent has to be very, very explicit. If it is not, then it is harassment. That फिर मैं रात को 2 बजे भी गई हूँ, मैं छोटे कपड़े पहन के भी गई हूँ, मैं कुछ भी करके गई हूँ, that should not give you a reason to behave inappropriately with me. Correct. So that's my only thing. And having said that, the Me Too movement, as Smita correctly said, liberals ने जो पूरा the so-called liberals would identify themselves as feminist in the faith in their in your faces, they have mostly been predators themselves. I was there is very एक कॉलेज में I think Me Too movement हुआ था where this student had accused some professor of harassment and favoritism and taking favors for grades. 13 women, professors and the academics of Indian academics, they came together, they wrote a letter of solidarity with that particular, professor. And they said कि there should be proper investigation in this case. भाई तुम जब किसी को accuse करते हो तो तुम्हें immediately you want justice, you want कि नहीं इसको फांसी पे चढ़ा ही दो. लेकिन when one of yours is accused, you want proper investigation. Correct. I 100% सब में investigate करो. किसी को सबसे पहले just because of allegations you don't accuse them of, don't make them convict. But what is good for the goose should be good for the gander. अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि X पे होनी चाहिए तो Y पर भी वही कार्यवाही होनी चाहिए. You should not be having dual speak on these things. That's what I feel.
आपको नहीं लगता ये जो सूडो फेमिनिस्ट हैं इनकी जो सिस्टरहुड है, टोटल ये लोग होते हैं ना, वी आर ऑल वन एंड ये करके, ये सिस्टरहुड बड़ी फेक है. क्योंकि द मोमेंट उनके ग्रुप में से किसी वुमन को अगर ज्यादा अटेंशन मिल जाए, सडनली दे ऑल गो अगेंस्ट दैट वुमन, एंड देन इनकी ये सिस्टरहुड जो पूरा एक क्लब है, ये बहुत फेक है. आपको नहीं लगता है निर्मा?
So generally, as a rule, I think I've seen on social media a lot of these journalists जो they pretend to be friends on the timeline. ठीक है, आप देखोगे कुछ है कि अच्छा खान मार्केट मिलेंगे, अच्छा यहाँ पे जाएंगे, वो कौन सा कोई तो very popular hangout place in Khan Market only. They all go, they would take pictures and selfies. लेकिन ऑफलाइन अगर आप उनसे अकेले में कभी मिलेंगे तो ऑफ दीज अवे फ्रॉम देयर फ्रेंड्स दे विल बी बिचिंग अबाउट देम. तो ये सिस्टरहुड का जो ये है वो वहीं तक सीमित है. ऑफ देयर वंस देयर सोशल मीडिया क्लाउड इज गॉन, इन दोनों को दे ऑल वांट टू बिच अबाउट एवरीवन एल्स. ऐसा इसे तो ये किया, ऐसा उसने वो किया. अब क्या ही बोले, वॉर बोलेंगे तो लीगल हैसल में पड़ जाएंगे.
व्हाट डू यू थिंक स्मिता? ये सिस्टरहुड इनका जेन्युइन है कि फेक है?
It is a bitch land. It is a bitch kingdom, a bitch land where it's so fake. I have worked with some of these people. I know that over the period of time I saw that all the invitations for the parties and the get-togethers, everything phased out for me. But the thing is, the level of protectionism they will show for their own men, it's so unbelievable. There are of course multiple rules. The rules for you would be very different than the rules for me, you know. And constant this, I always say this competition is going to kill us. The nature did not make us, I would say, in terms of our, the biology is very clear, the science is very clear. And I think what really matters, and I'll tell you, as I said, I work with extremely young people. And it's so easy to bash India, but I think at least in Indian metro cities, the opportunities for both the genders are absolutely there. It has, if you are willing to take it. And what you cannot do, if you have the wherewithal and if you have the vigor to work, I would say that the sky is a limit for anybody, including the third gender. I always say this: we are only talking about men and women. What about the third gender? Because equal amount of opportunities are there today. Even in a country like India, we may want to bash it, but that's not true. My experience about all this is that you constantly are living in a real, somewhere in between the real world and the parallel world you think exists in your Instagram bubble, and and real life is something in between. And I think that is the shock which they get. I'll give you a you all will laugh if I tell you. One of my student who's a very, will always fight for her rights, and I don't like the way this person looks, and that if looks can get, so I have to keep on taming her down. And she just told me the other day that, ma'am, do you know I have to work 5 days a week? So I said, yeah, millions of people work 5 days a week. She says, isn't that shocking? So why should it be shocking for you? She said, it's absolute sheer exploitation. I said, of whom? She said, of me. So I said, the HR told you, it is a 5-day week. It is a choice, you don't need to take this job. But for her, it is a shock that she has to work 5 days a week. It is a shock. And it's exploitation. Where it's small petty girl, where you hear these words, who told you all these words? Exploitation. I said, write your copy, yaar. Don't talk about exploitation at this age. 22 में ये exploit हो गई because 5 days a week. अरे शुक्र करो that even in digital media you are getting 5 days a week. If you are in print and television, निर्वा को पूछो, it is always 7 days a week. For 23 years, I worked literally, I don't even know how these years passed. And the words used were exploitation. I said, how are you exploited if the men in your office are also working 5 days a week? तुम्हें क्यों extra ये brownie point चाहिए उसके ऊपर? So I told her, you will not survive. And she's working, she's cribbing, but I don't see much future. I don't think she's going to survive in this job for too long. So
अच्छा निर्मल,
delusion, the word here, Payal, more than this feminism, and which is creating such level of delusion in this younger generation. It's unbelievable.
अच्छा निर्मला, एक ये जो फ्लेकी विमेन होती, गर्ल्स होती हैं, आई कॉल देम फ्लेकी, ये लोग अपने इंस्टा पे फिल्टर्स लगा लगा के अपनी फोटोज डालती रहती हैं, या इनकी डीपी भी ऐसी होंगी, सब होंगी, एंड मेन रियली गेट अट्रैक्टेड टू देम. But men don't get attracted to women who are, very independent and अपना कमा रही हैं और अपना जी रही हैं. Why do men feel insecure from that? Though it's hardly related to pseudo feminism, but still, I always feel men get attracted to these kind of women जो फ्लेकी होती हैं और ये जो सब इक्वालिटी की बातें करती हैं, वो men are trash की बातें करती हैं, उससे उन ऐसी women से भी impress हो जाते हैं बहुत. What is it with men?
इसीलिए तो फेमिनिज्म आया. I think at some level वो strong women, not every to handle a strong woman you have to be strong man as well. Not everyone is a strong man. जैसे कि to friends या couples या a lot of men are not okay with, और उनका ego hurt हो जाता है when their wives or their spouses do better financially than them. तो अब क्या कर सकते हैं उस पे. सो दिस इज वेरी ना, यू वांट everything, but then once your wife starts getting little better, they just can't handle things. उनके ego issues आ जाते हैं. So for there to satisfy these little ego issues, they go for women who they think are flaky, as you said, and because they get their instant dopamine hit कि नहीं नहीं, this ये लड़की मेरे प्यार में फंस गई. I don't have to chase her because intellectually उसका वो नहीं है, तो ठीक है, सबका अपना अपना है.
नहीं तो आपको लगता है कि ये इन लोगों को ट्रॉफी वाइफ्स चाहिए होती हैं आजकल की जनरेशन के बॉयज को?
आई थिंक ये भी हो सकता है ऑल्सो. ट्रॉफी वाइव्स के लिए यू ऑल्सो नीड टू बी वेरी इंडिपेंडेंट एंड स्मार्ट योर सेल्फ टू डिमांड टू बी इन दैट कमांडिंग डिमांडिंग position to have that. Most men are too shallow also in a lot of times, so कुछ कर नहीं सकते उसका.
स्मिता, आप क्या सोचती हो? व्हाई मेन आर स्केर्ड ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट वुमेन एंड दे लव दीज काइंड ऑफ वुमेन उसे आउच आउच करती रहती हैं, ओ गॉड माय बैक, माय दिस, माय दैट. व्हाई डू
I
दे
have
गेट
a
इट?
feeling after 36 years, I can say one thing at work. I mean, this thing at workplace. I don't think, I'm not saying all men, but I'm not also going to say majority of the men, but most men,
Slightly louder, Smita, slightly louder.
no, I think most Indian men, I'm not going to say majority of Indian men, I'm going to say most Indian men have not figured out how to deal with women who have their own sense of, they have their own opinions, they have a sense of mind, I could have their own house. I remember once I was asked to go and meet a guy, and his only irritation was that my car was a little bigger than his car. But he was driving his father's car, and I was in my own car for which I paid for. And he kept on bringing up that issue. I'm talking about 15 years ago, but this thing. So I think and here I'm not going to blame women, but men also, what can you say, gravitate towards women is the way they see women being treated in their own house. Okay, so if there is an atmosphere in the house where what the woman is saying matters, her views matter, her position on certain issue matters, and on the which of the entire character of that house or the way the house deals with society matters, then those women, those children are very, very open towards getting into a relationship with a more matured individual women. I always feel that such a thing, I have examples around me, and I've really thought in detail about children who have been brought up by single women. They could be single because of circumstances or something. They turn out to be much more gravitating towards women who are independent and would like to, be something of their own. But majority of most of the Indian men, I think they play safe. Ki chalo mummy ne jo dekhi, and this is it, and I don't have much expectation. And I have a friend who was working in the education sector like me and really, really enjoying her life. But the husband is very high profile. Children have grown up now. And then he says, why you want to work? Yeah, travel with me all over the world. He literally forced her to leave her job. She's extremely unhappy. And I said, you're in Paris sipping cappuccino. And she says, I hate it. I want to be in my class. So it's very, I would say that most of the Indian men, they play safe. But they all love all these Western movies where women are shown. Which is your best movie? Erin Brockovich. Okay, this movie. But would you deal with what would you have if a woman like this comes into your life? I don't know about it, but I love the movie. So that shows.
निर्वा, आप कुछ कह रहे थे?
No, it reminds me of this post I saw on Instagram that men lose it when they realize that their daughters and wives are not as forgiving as their mothers are, which is which is exactly what I think Smita said, but this is just very similar to what she just said. Ki, women, because they are so used to their mothers being so protecting and letting go, कि नहीं नहीं बेटा है बेटा है. The moment their daughters who are new age daughters or their wives are they are not as forgiving कि भाई ऐसा नहीं होता. That's when they realize that the root shock comes to them कि भाई ऐसे भी हो सकता है. Someone can tell me no also.
I
इंडियन मैन, मैन ओवरऑल ऑल्सो मैंने देखा, मैं कितनी, आई रीड सो मेनी बुक्स, उसमें है मैन होते हैं शोविनिस्ट होते हैं, उनको एक है, उनको एक सुपीरियोरिटी होता है, पर आजकल के women are also going haywire and they're going crazy.
No, I
Thank
think
you.
So it's
while may I add something? You know,
Yeah,
the
sure.
traditional they men love they though they always crib कि मेरे पे इतना pressure है ये. You know, I'm the provider, and you know I'm pressure. But तू नहीं है provider, मैं भी हूँ. Like you know, मैं भी provide कर रही हूँ. You don't take this pressure so much, but they they always say in a relationship, I mean, you've got everything. What you want from me? What you want from me? They don't. I mean that traditional concept of provider
Yeah.
abhi bhi hai, which culminates in some point, again I'm not saying all, into some kind of chauvinism. वैसे भी I'm the provider, so my vote or my I will be I'll have the final say, because here again I feel that Indian women who play fantastic role. I mean, I'm a big admirer of all, you know, how women who are at home looking after their houses, looking after their children, husband, maintaining their life. It's a big task. That's where I feel that, you know, that they're never being recognized. And of course, the feminists, I must tell you, the feminists have very poor opinion about housewives, huh? As if they are good for nothing, they don't do anything for the larger cause of the bitch land.
नहीं नहीं, तो ये सूडो फेमिनिस्ट जो होती है बोलती तो है आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू कुक, मैं अपना एग उबालूंगी, वो अपना एग उबालेगा ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए, वी बोथ हैव टू वर्क, वी हैव टू क्लीन द हाउस टुगेदर, वी हैव टू डू दिस, बट दे डोंट माइंड देयर मदर्स, उनकी टिफिन बॉक्स सेट कर रही है, उनके कपड़े प्रेस कर रही हैं, पेट्रियार्की और ये सब चीजें, ये सारी चीजें इनको आती हैं
See,
जब
but
अपने ऊपर
don't
आती
you
है, पर अपनी माँ के
don't you
ऊपर नहीं आती.
have you not seen that video of this? I think like an American, a Mexican American woman who stands next to in her kitchen and says, "I don't cook for my husband, and I am cooking for my husband. I am washing for my husband. He will do this. I will do this." So why you all? I mean, I just don't know and that video. That's what I'm saying. ये सब आ रहा है बाहर से. I am cooking and all. That video also went viral. I'm not going to do anything. I'm minding my own business. So it is like it's just a marriage, it's just a relationship of, you know, whatever.
थैंक यू सो मच गर्ल्स, तुम्हारे व्यूज सुने मैंने, एंड निर्वा हैज टू कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट एवरीथिंग आई से, that's a she has to say, but I feel good, Nirva, good. Thank you so much.